particular intimation has already started on our GST portal, and this has started from, I think, 6th of October, the advisory came around this, sir. So here what is happening, sir? Let us see this particular diagram. Sir, in 2B I have 100 rupees auto-populating in table 4A5, which we've already seen in the example. Somehow I claim in GSTR-3B 150 rupees. This 50 rupees, if it exceeds a particular configurable threshold, which we don't know, but say 20, 30, 40, 50%, whatever, if the difference between whatever it is eligible in 2B and whatever you're claiming in that particular month in 3B, if it exceeds a particular threshold, then this intimation will be received by us, right? Wherein what will happen in part A, in DRC-01C, we are going to receive this intimation. We have to reply in DRC-01C part B, right? There are two subparts. First part is DRC-03. We either make the payment, put the ARN, and end of the matter, or we put reasons. There is a template there. The government itself knows that these are the different reasons wherein there can be legitimate differences of ITC, what is available in 2B and what we have claimed in 3B. Or we can use both. If for example 50 rupees is the difference which we have overclaimed as per the notice, 25 I say, okay, my mistake, I will pay in DRC-03, I will put the ARN number of the challan, fine. But for 25 rupees I will put the reasons. Now let us see this particular this advisory we've already mentioned, right? This functionality is already available on the portal. It is system generated, and I've already mentioned these particular points, I think. Okay, in case if you do not file, if you do not respond within 7 days, or if you do not furnish a satisfactory reply, or if you do not make the payment, or if you make half payment and if you provide reason which is not satisfactory, or whatever other case, in 7 days, so then your GSTR1 for the subsequent period may be blocked. You will not be allowed to pass on the credits to your recipients. That is a big blow to your business. And secondly, of course, if you do not respond, obviously, adjudication proceedings by issue of show cause notices under section 73, section 74 may be started by the proper officer. These are two consequences. So we need to take this quite seriously. So this is kind of a flow from the portal. We see we can find this particular, this intimation if issued to us in return compliance under returns. We can search for this particular intimation. As per these three parameters. Either you put in the reference number, you click on it, you will get the entire completed or the pending these intimations, or you can put in via return period, put in the financial year and put in the period, or by status. If it is pending, you are due to respond to it. If it's completed, it's fine. Now this is one particular highlighting which I've done of part A, which mentions the particular amount which is pending, which basically you have claimed in excess. If you were to see cess amount as per GSTR-2B quarter, this is a QRMP taxpayer, 9,12,512 was available for the quarter of April to June, right? Now he has claimed in his GSTR-3B 40 lakh rupees. So 30,87,488 of input tax rate under cess has been claimed in excess, prima facie. So they say either you pay this along with interest, or you provide sufficient reasons, right? Or otherwise we are going to start adjudication proceedings. You do that within 7 days. Now in part B, there are two subparts. First part is, sir, simple thing, entire 30 lakh, whatever amount you make the payment, or a sufficient amount which you feel that you accept and you owe, you make the payment. Either you make the payment after receiving DRC-01C part A, you make the payment in DRC-03, or while you're filling up this particular reply, you can make the payment by clicking here for DRC-03. It will redirect you to the DRC-03 page, right? Now, sir, let us see these reasons. These are quite important as to why the government feels that there can be reasons of differences between the input tax credit available in GSTR-2B and what we have claimed in 3B. This the government is only provided in the particular intimation. We need to select this if we fall under this case. Multiple cases also we can select, but selection will only not do. You have to write your remark. So here in the first case, input tax credit not availed in earlier tax period. Why? So section 16 subsection 2 clause B. It's in transit. We could not claim it in the earlier tax period. We've claimed, but it is in GSTR-2B of July 2023. This is intimation for August 2023. In August 23, in GSTR-2B, it will not auto-populate again. But I have claimed it in table 4A5. But for instance, mistakenly, I did not report it in 4D1. This is a clear-cut case, okay, wherein I can select this particular reason, I can write my remark that the goods have actually been received in the month of August. So I was not due to receive claim that in the month of July. Second reason, input tax credit not availed in earlier tax period inadvertently or due to mistake. I did not claim it in earlier tax period, it was available in 2B. Now, this particular intimation will only see the ITC available in 2B for the month of August 2023 and what you have claimed in your 3B for the month of August. It will not see it for the entire year. So whatever spillover effects of the earlier months in this year, you need to report here, you need to mention. ITC available, as I've already mentioned, on account of import of goods. It does not need to be in GSTR-2B, auto-populated, right? So GSTR-2B is less, right? The ITC on the import of goods is not there, but we have claimed so on the basis of bill of entry. So we can explain this reason. Excess ITC, reversal of ITC in previous tax periods, the same being reclaimed in the current tax period. And so forth, and we've already discussed this, you can go through these. Here, these slides you can go through. These are just the mechanisms of how to operate through these intimations.